Hi everyone, welcome. For today's video we're going to be doing something a little bit differently, but it's still within the realm of crafty old things. So today we're going to be cleaning out my keyboard and I'm talking about my computer keyboard, and I just wanted to share this process because I just think it's so important in the craft process and just like in the hobby process that it's important to take care of the things that you make or buy. And so I just wanted to make this video as a little ode to taking care of the things that I love. So I've had this keyboard now for years and it's insanely high quality. It sounds like a typewriter, it feels like a typewriter, it's made out of metal. It's just a very sturdy, high quality typewriter style keyboard, and so I want to just make a video of me cleaning it out. Some time has passed and little crumbs have gotten stuck here and there and some hair and dust, and so I wanted to take it apart to give it a really thorough cleaning. I'm actually not too well versed in the world of keyboards, and so this is like the fanciest keyboard I own. It's the only one I own actually, but I've never owned a keyboard before where the keys pop off like this. I've always just used the kind of like default MacBook style keyboards. And so I wanted to get really into the grooves of this keyboard, and I want to wash all the keys. I'm just using some soap water here, and I'm just agitating the keys to get rid of any loose dust that might be in the nooks and crannies. And next I'm just going to take a Q-tip and I'm going to wipe every individual key. This just really helps to make sure I get all the finger grease and anything like that off the individual keys. As you can tell, my cat is very interested. If you haven't met my cat before, her name is Noir, like the word for the color black in French, and I actually got her a little over a year ago. She's a rescue kitty from Brooklyn, and she's always very fascinated whenever I'm doing anything in front of the camera, whether it's a crafty project or just a cleaning project like today. But yeah, I just find cleaning things very meditative, especially when they're very small and dainty like this. I'd be happy to do a more in-depth video on this keyboard and why I bought it. But essentially it reminds me of a typewriter, and I actually collect typewriters. So back home I have a few typewriters, one of which belonged to my grandma, and I just love the way this sounds and the way this feels, and I try to be strategic with my money when I can, especially when it comes to just buying things I don't necessarily need, and a fancy keyboard is not one of those things. But when it's something that you use every day, or it's something I use every day, I just really think it should be something that makes you happy, and this keyboard is certainly that, and it's high quality, which is a very big bonus. But yeah, I've been using this keyboard for years, and it even has this little turning knob action, as you can see at the top, and that silver lever, and those actually have real life functions when connected to a computer, and it connects via Bluetooth or cable. This video isn't sponsored, I just really appreciate this keyboard and how well it's made. But yeah, I will kind of let the video finish out with this fun ASMR style video. And yeah, just thank you so much to those of you who have subscribed, or if you're new here, thanks for checking out my videos. It means a lot to me, and I really want to focus on building this channel, and I hope to be coming out with a new video every week, so please be sure to stay tuned and enjoy the rest of your week.